Hi! In this tutorial video, I'll show you how to change the size of the created images in Midjourney, and get these images with different resolutions. So, we can make pictures of these three sizes. And then we can see examples of pictures made in different styles and with different resolutions. There are some pretty nice pictures here. Now let's try to use this knowledge and repeat as shown in the example. We enter a slash, then select the command imagine, and write, for example, car. Then it is important to put a double dash, and insert the value indicated in the example for a square image. We wait. Our request is loading. So that's what we got, as we see the pictures turned out to be square. Now let's try to do the same and create horizontal pictures. If you don't understand something, you can always ask me a question in the comments. As you can see, our request was processed. And we got a picture with a horizontal orientation. And finally, let's make vertical pictures that you can create and set as wallpaper on your phone, for example. That's all. I hope I was helpful to you. Like this video and subscribe. In the next videos, I will talk about all the hidden features in more detail. Don't miss it.